If you're looking for the perfect wedding favor, consider giving your friends something to craft with. Whether they knit, crochet, sew or quilt, we've got a list of ideas for you. In this video, I will show you my favorite crafts and how they can fit into your wedding. Idea 1. Wedding favors, craft lovers. When it comes to wedding favors, there are lots of different types. Some favor ideas include favors that can be used at home like soap or candles. Favors that can be enjoyed at the reception like cookies and candy. Favors that have sentimental value such as photos or mementos. Whether you're a crafty person yourself or know someone who is, handmade favors will be a great addition to any wedding. These unique ideas are perfect for anyone who wants their guests' experience of your special day to be memorable and personal. Idea 2. Best wedding favors for those who love to craft. If you're a crafty person, then wedding favors are a great way to show off your skills. You can make beautiful and thoughtful gifts that will be remembered long after the wedding day has passed. Idea 3. Knitting and crocheting wedding favors. Knitting and crocheting are great wedding favors. They're a fun way to give your guests something they can use, but also something that's personal for you and your partner. If you've got the time, it's easy enough to make these yourself. Idea 4. Sewing wedding favors. Sewing kits are an excellent choice for brides who love to craft. Sewing kits can be tailored to match the bride's favorite color or pattern, and they can be used as wedding favors or gifts after the wedding. Idea 5. Classic craft lover wedding favors. Candles. Tea towels and fabric potholders. Fabric bowls for storing jewelry or craft supplies. Mug rugs that you can sew or iron on to use as coasters for hot drinks. Hopefully, you now have a better idea of which wedding favors would be perfect for craft lovers.